Hey, it's John with LaGuardia.com, bringing you tips and tools for outdoor adventure. On today's episode, we've got a quick unboxing of some items from Stio. So we're going to take all three of these out here at the beginning, and then we'll deep dive into each one. Then we'll give these a full review over about a month's of use. And so be on the lookout for the follow-up videos to these as well. All right, so let me open this box up real quick. It's really big, so I'm just gonna do this on the side and then we'll pull the items out one at a time. So the first item here, these are the men's rivet cord. I've had a pair of these for about 3 years now and I absolutely love them. However, I got them caught in a barbed wire fence when I was out on a photography trip, and so I've been wearing them with the hole in the back of the leg for I don't know how long. So I broke down and bought a pair, another pair of the same color and everything, but they're awesome cords, super comfortable. This next item here is pretty big. This is the men's Furnos insulated jacket. And I tried this on in the store up in Boulder and absolutely loved this jacket, so had to go ahead and get it. And then the last item, but not least, are some shoes. These are the men's Colter mid, so we're going to take a look at each one of these separately here. And we'll go from there. So, without further ado, let's take a look. What a cool design on this box. I love it. Let's take a look at the men's Colter mid. Love Stio's packaging. It's just really cool. All right. Yeah, this is the men's Colter mid. And this particular color is the Castle Rock and Quiet Gray. I wear a size 8, so that's what you're looking at here. Just right off the bat, these are definitely made for the outdoors and cold weather utility. So these, let me just pull this stuff out. You can see that they're lined on the inside, and they do have a premium weather-resistant suede on the outside. Really nice sole on these too, with good grip. They have this kind of sewn baffled construction, which is really stylish, and it does have synthetic insulation in there as well. So these are great for, you get back to the car after a long day of skiing, you just slide these on, and they get nice and toasty for the ride back home. So yeah, these are perfect for that. Or like, the weather's pretty cold out today and it's snowing outside, the first snow of the year. So these are perfect for just walking around town as well. These do have a soft wool blend lining on them. On the inside, you can see that. And I just love the feel of this. It's nice and soft. But they're guaranteed not to overheat your feet, so probably depends on your body temperature, but that is the men's Colter in Castle Rock and Quiet Gray. These retail for $159, and encourage you to get on. Looks like there's some extra shoelaces here too. Oh, that was the other thing I wanted to mention too. These are the stretchy shoelaces, right? So you could just slip these right on, which is really cool. All right. So check them out. I'll put a link down in the description below to stio.com. And while you're down there, if you would hit the subscribe button, I would really, really appreciate it. We're trying to get the channel up to 1,000 subscribers this year by the end of the year. And that just every little bit helps. So thank you so, so much. I really appreciate it. And with that, I think we'll see you in the next video. Peace.